Good morning, Wolfpack. It is a gorgeous day out in Bolton, Ontario. Alrighty, so you guys have been wondering where the hell have I been? I just had to go back to my parents' house for a bit, and I wanted to show you guys off. Ooh, there you are! This is the new camcorder that I just bought, and there you guys are. So, for sure, definitely I'm really happy with this camera. I'm just testing this out now and I'm loving the image quality, loving the voice quality, so definitely something to pick up. I think, let me check. Yeah, the Vika HF R800. So if you guys are looking for a new camera, Canon, God bless you. So you're probably wondering what's going on today, and I did mention in the last couple clips that I am working on a little project, and this is the first episode of that project series. So I thought, what could I do that's dumb, but also something I've always wanted to do? And I figured it out, and it is, I want to customize my car. And I want to get her looking snatch as fuck. And the only way to do that is I gotta start putting in my own designs and shit on her. She's a 2015 Kia Forte 5 LX. Shout out to Kitchener and Bolton Kia. You guys are amazing at those dealerships, and I love you both. And you guys have been taking good care of her. But she needs to get her windows done, and she needs to get some decals and all that shit done. So, today, I am dropping her off at Ray's Auto Salon in Bolton, and she's gonna get those windows tinted. And I wish I could get my fucking life tinted, because I've got dark circles at the house. So, fuck. I have been working at least 8-7 hours a day non-stop, and it's just been, oh, it's been lovely. It's fun. It's okay, guys. I'm doing what I love. I'm doing a job that I've always wanted to do. I am not mad. Alrighty, so yeah, I'm gonna go right now, get changed, and take this car to get her windows done. So I thought I'd come out and film a little bit of a before moment before she heads over to get her windows done. And I gotta wear glasses because it's fucking hot, and skincare, anti-aging of the house. So yeah, here she is. Here's my Kia Forte 2015. This car has been through so fucking much. I mean, the amount of damage that's probably on this car that I don't know about is probably really shitty. I just got a little bit of a spot there. I can't even see the screen because it's so dark out right now, but I'm hoping it's filming. But yeah, as you can see, it's not even tinted, and you can see all the way into the car. There's like no privacy, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So we need to get it done ASAP. And I know she's dirty as fuck inside. That is all gonna get cleaned out in another video. Hint for next video, yes ma'am. But yeah, so definitely going to be awesome. Okay guys, so we are here at the auto salon, and we're just gonna drop her off and get those windows done. picked me up from my house. We're heading over to go get the car right now. So you got your car done at Ray's Auto, right?
Yep.
And what do you think?
I think I did a great job.
Yeah, like, well, because your cars are window tinted. I can even tell that they're tinted, but they're nice.
I know.
Yeah.
They did a really good job. I got like the darkest you can go for my back two mirrors and my trunk mirror.
Yeah.
And then I did the legal limit for drivers and passenger side.
Nice. I didn't film when I was dropping the car off. I just filmed like when I was outside. And I was trying to be brave, and I told the guy, yeah, do dark and all. And then I called you, and I was like, maybe I shouldn't be illegal for once in my life. So I lost my nerve, and I called him back, and I said, can you just do the legal limits but do dark as fuck in the back?
Yeah.
He's like, sure. And he was like laughing because I could tell that he already had the car up on the hoist. And I was like, thank fuck I called him when I did. Because he would have started and I would have called you and been like,
oh, it's a little bit too late.
So yeah, so now we're going to go get it. It's not that expensive actually too. It was like $350, something like that.
Well, yeah, it all depends on, I guess, the grade that you want, like sun protection.
Yeah.
Like UV.
Yeah.
So mine's up to like 20%, which is fine because I don't burn as intense as you.
Oh, yeah. No, I know.
You're
and I
getting
was
like the 80%, aren't you?
Yeah, I am. No, I have to because like I literally got. That's why I'm wearing all black. But yeah, I got home and I had burns on my arm that was facing the window.
Oh wow.
From the last 2 weeks of driving in the sun. Not good. So yeah, and I don't have like the spray on sunscreen because I can't afford to get it right now because I'm paying for this.
Yeah.
So,
Oh my God.
anyways, why are we going forward? The light is red.
I'm just looking. Oh my God. Girl.
Right. Well, we'll go see when we get her then what she looks like.
Oh boy.
She looks so good. Look at how dark it is. I'm shook. Oh my God. Okay, let's go in and pay for it. Hey Wolfpack, I just finished a crazy ass shift at work, but I wanted to film before I head on the road. Today is the 5th day since these windows have been done, which means I get to take this off. So this was just telling me not to roll it down for about 5 days. So let's take her off now. Oh no! Oh no! That sucks. I guess I'm gonna have to fix that later. Alrighty, so moment of truth. If these were done good, then this will not crinkle. Okay. I think we're good. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think we're good. It's just wet because it was raining. But other than that, I think we're good. Hey guys, so now it's been exactly 1 week since I uploaded the video, and I just wanted to give a big shout out to Ray's Auto Salon. The tinting was so well done. I have not burned at all since I have gotten it done. The car is so much more cooler and I have a lot more privacy now, and I could not thank the people there any more so than I can right now. So if you guys need anything done and you're in the Bolton area, go to Ray's Auto Salon. All their information is going to be linked down in the description below. If you need anything in regards to window tinting, car detailing, anything like that, they do it all. Give them a call. They're great people, and I'm so thankful for them again for making my car a better experience to drive. So that's all I have for me from now. So sorry again about the upload schedule. It's been kind of crazy, but I hope to continue to keep making more videos. Have a great day. WolfHowls, Everywolf. Bye.